All right, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a trade breakdown, as always, of my positions today, my thought process. Just talk about this Wednesday, choppy Wednesday, or should I say more so bipolar Wednesday, because Wednesdays are the hardest days to trade each and every single week in the Forex market. A lot of news comes out, just not a lot of momentum. You always have to take what the market gives you. So overall, good day, good profit. We're at that point now where I'm slowly reducing my position size, going less size, swinging less for the fences. I left a lot of money on the table. I could have made more profit by adjusting my stop loss. Got stopped out for 22. 800. So I'm happy with everything. It's one of those days where it's kind of nail bail. Watch Forex pairs the rest of the day, but I really haven't seen anything. This is my NAS100 trade, and then I'll talk about US30. As always, we put up the Telegram signals right here each and every single day to the VIP members. So if you guys are ever interested in joining that, receiving my daily signal alerts, the link to that is going to be below this YouTube video. So below this YouTube video, you will see the link to join my VIP Telegram group, as well as the very first link, right? So the very first link below this YouTube video, guys, is the same broker that I'm using for these small account flips. It is the same broker that I'm going to continue to use day in and day out. They are basically come along with the platform Trade Locker, which will allow copy trading in the future. So basically what that means is that you'll be able to copy my exact trades. Your account will be linked to mine. So anytime I make a trade, anytime I enter a position, buy it or sell it, it executes the same exact trade on your platform, right? Depending on how big your account is, it'll basically adjust from a percentage standpoint or even a fixed lot standpoint. So any days I make profit, you're guaranteed 100% going to make profit. That is the future of trading. Now, back to the YouTube video. Put out two signals today so far, US30 and NAS100. US30 with our take profit levels and stop loss, as well as NAS100 with the take profit levels and the stop loss. Now, with US30 and NAS100, very similar setups. We had beautiful, nice little push up. There's no way I wanted to buy it here. No way I wanted to buy chase US30. So I was looking for the sell at 38611.56. However, she kept on running, so I never even took that trade. NAS100, looking at for the sell at 17,684.64. This one, again, we were basically in this nice little channel right here, held the support, held the resistance, broke out, squeezed up, looking for this one to pull back hard. So Wednesdays, I typically want to see the market pull back hard. Now, when the market actually opened, right? So when the market opened with NAS100 today, she did, right? So there I am in the trade, same entry, right? So again, imagine you guys are using the same broker as me. Imagine you're using copy trading, right, with Trade Locker. And imagine your account is rather at $300, $1,000, $10,000. You would be making, whether it's $30, you might be making $3,000, you might be making $300, and that's just easy money, the hands free. It's basically automation, right? So I enter the trade, right? She drops. I adjust my stop loss. The trade retraces. I get out for $22,000. Not a bad day. Not a bad day in basically like 5 minutes, right? And again, that is the future of trading right here with me being your mentor, me being your teacher, educator, is that you'll be able to take the same exact trades with me without ever using, a button to push buy or sell or close, because obviously be doing everything from my end. So again, it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, NAS100, like I said, she retraced. And so here's the bigger picture, bigger than NAS100. She dropped, and then all of a sudden, she basically squeezed up. It is what it is, right? Doesn't matter. We're out of the trade. But US30, man, US30. We had our area where we were looking to sell, but when we put our sell out there, she just kept on running. I was like, all right, well, fuck it. I'm not going to chase it. She did end up dropping really hard back towards our entry, but at that point, we already deleted the order. No point of taking it. She just basically pushed up. Overall choppy day. Now look at the Forex pairs. You can see I haven't put out any signals for Forex pairs yet. Just everything's just really choppy. There's just no good quality setups. EUR USD, GBP US dollar. AUD US dollar, NZD US dollar CHF, Potentially maybe US dollar CD could have been a good buy here. AUD, NZD. Just overall, everything's just been really, really, really choppy. So not a lot going on. It's typical Wednesday. It's typically what we expect. But we come, we nail and bail. You don't need to trade every single day. We traded today. We made profit. We took profit. Nobody goes broke taking profit. So that's it for this YouTube video. Hopefully you guys like it. Helps and educates you in some shape, way, and form. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below. Remember, guys, if you guys are interested in getting my copy trading in the future, it's going to be the very first link below this YouTube video. You click the very first link. You sign up with the same broker as me underneath my ID. And then when TradeLocker launches the copy trading, then you'll have the option to link your account directly to mine. So that is the future of trading. My goal is to make everyone as much money as possible. I have as many future millionaire students. But that's it, guys. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and remember, nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.